Good afternoon, Crafty Peeps. I'm so excited. Archana has sent me another crafty project kit, and I'm loving this. First of all, it's a shabby chic. So she sent me PhotoPlay's Moments in Time. And in order to purchase this little kit, you need to visit her blog, and that is called backtoshabbyworld.blogspot.com. I'll have the link down below in the comments for you and also in the About section. Also, if you would love to share your projects that you made using Archana's kits or any of the papers or products you have purchased from her store, you can share it on her Facebook group called Simply Shabby Pub. And that is P-U-B, P as in Paul. So also she has her Facebook group, which is called Shabby Paper Hub, which is H-U-B. So anyway, and if you're interested in purchasing more of her yummy goodness, you can visit her online store at www.craftycity.com. So let's go ahead and get started and show you what she sent me. So this is PhotoPlay's Moments in Time by Michelle Coleman, and I love it. Let's do a little close-up. This is about family. I love the little vintage luggage. So, so cute. But anyway, let's get into the sticker sheet first. So we have a little vintage clock. We have a corset, the Eiffel Tower. We have a rose. And of course, the bird cage. Love the luggage, as I said. The carriage is so cute. I love these little photograph stickers that they do. That's really fun. And of course, you have a banner, stickers, and faux washi, and some sentiments on here. So, love this. Very, very cute. And I'm loving these papers. I love the kind of, I would say, untraditional shabby chic colors, but then mixed in with traditional. So I'm really loving this. This one is called Moments. And of course, it looks like your damask wallpaper, and underneath looks like vintage journaling. Love that. And here are the 4x3 and 4x6 cards. Love that. Love, love ephemera. You are just my type. So cute. Love you always. Very pretty. So you get two of each of these. And the next one is called Antique. I love the floral print on there. Another kind of shabby Tiffany blue. I love the stripes and the polka dots. And of course, it's kind of like your washi tape of the different pages. I like that. And of course, we have our polka dot page. This one's called Dolled Up. I love how it has the vintage script writing underneath. Ooh, corset page. Love, love, love. Who wouldn't love that? Okay. That one. The next one is called Audubon. And I just love this design here. That's really unique. Love the birds in here. Again, it reminds me of a vintage wallpaper that you would find in the dining rooms. And look at the birds. How precious is that? Love, love, love. Love the blue jay. Okay. The next one is called Memories. And again, we have another different damask type print that you would find in vintage homes with the script writing underneath again. Really cool. And I love, here's another floral print. Isn't that beautiful? Like I said, it's not very traditional shabby chic colors, but I love how they made this work. And it's always fun to use different colors. This one is called Postcards. Love the Eiffel Tower mixed in with the roses and the vintage script writing underneath. Of course, you got to have the postcards. Hello. Very travel themed oriented on that little part there. Okay, so let's get into the goodies. So she sent me this whole package of Prima flowers, and they are so beautiful. Look at that. My camera stuttered. I don't know what's going on here. Hold on. Oh, it came back. Goodness. Okay, that was really weird. Anyway, let me show you a little close-up of that in case it didn't work. And I'm trying to think what collection this is from, but it doesn't say. So it doesn't really matter. Okay. And then this is what I really love about this. Okay, so I don't really have a whole lot of birthday stamps. So this is perfect. It says, have a wonderful birthday, birthday wishes, and it's your special day. You have a little banner, balloons, candles, and it looks like some stars underneath. Love that. Birthday hat. So cute. And that's by Mrs. Sparkle & Co. Next, we have, so inside you will also get these wonderful little goodies. First of all, you will get a stamp collection, which is perfect for birthdays. And I'm so excited because I don't have that many birthday stamps. So I love this. It says, it's your special day, birthday wishes. You have the little confetti, stars up there, candle, birthday hat, banner, and have a wonderful birthday. And then some balloons down here. So stinking cute. So I love that. You also will get some Prima flowers, and I'm going to hold this up a little bit. They match this collection ever so perfectly, like seriously. So I love those. You will also get some seam binding ribbon in the vintage colors. You will also get some of this ecru lace. I love that. And you'll get some of these little chippies. You get some little butterflies, some florals, which is your flower and leaves. You get these really cute Eiffel Tower charms. You'll also get this little wooden key, a bird cage clock, and I love this little banner right here. And you also get a typewriter and a corset. And then last but not least, you will also get this really beautiful lace with the pearls on it. Love, love, love that. So, like I said, if you want to collect this, if you want to purchase this for yourself, visit backtoshabbyworld.blogspot.com and you can order it there. So I hope you'll have a wonderful and fabulous day, guys. I cannot wait to get started on this. In fact, I'm getting started on it right away. So hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Bye, y'all.